Yeah, it's just important, I think, for future to learn about our land and to just be more mindful about how we can look after it.
We've got to start with the children and then they can look after the earth for us when we're too old to.
It's good to feel you're making a difference.
We have the power to rewrite the future for the better.
I try and look for progress and the things that I can do that can help make a difference to try and help with that.
Little steps, big goals, but we got there eventually.